Today we are going to discuss about the remaining examples of Vesper theory, and a few more examples of Vesper theory are methane molecule, ammonia and water. Okay, methane, ammonia and water molecule. In this one we are going to discuss about methane molecule first. Okay, CH4 molecule. In this one, in methane molecule, carbon is the central atom. Carbon is the central atom and it has electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. This 2s2, 2p2. This is the outermost valency electronic configuration. Outermost valency electronic configuration of carbon is 4. Carbon is 4. This is what? Outermost electronic configuration. Okay, and in this one we are having the 4 electrons. So these 4 electrons are involving in the formation of the bonds. Means here 4 bond pairs are formed in this methane molecule. Means the central carbon atom is forming one bond with one hydrogen and remaining 3 bonds with remaining 3 hydrogens. As a result, these 4 electrons which are forming 4 bond pairs with the 4 hydrogen atoms. These hydrogen atoms are oriented as a tetrahedron. And the bond angle which is present between these HCH is 109 degrees 28 minutes. And the 3D arrangement of this methane molecule is like this. Okay, this is the 3D arrangement of the methane molecule and the bond angle, that is 109 degrees 28 minutes. This is about the methane molecule. And next one is ammonia molecule. Ammonia molecule. In this ammonia molecule, the central atom is nitrogen. Here, this nitrogen which is forming 3 bond pairs which are present in the ammonia molecule, and those 3 bond pairs are formed by the covalent bonds. Okay, in this one these 3 nitrogens are forming 3 covalent bonds, and these are what? These are the bond pairs. Here we are having 3 bond pairs and the nitrogen which is having 5 electrons in the outermost shell. Okay, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. In the 2s orbital we are having 2 electrons and in the 2p orbital we are having 3 electrons. Means total 5 electrons which are present in the outermost valency configuration of this nitrogen, and here already 3 electrons are used in the formation of the bond. Remaining one lone pair is present. This lone pair which is present at the nitrogen. Okay, this is the ammonia molecule structure, and here we are having lone pair and 3 bond pairs. We are having one lone pair, remaining 3 are bond pairs. In this one, this nitrogen which is forming covalent bonds with these 3 hydrogens, and these 3 nitrogen to hydrogen covalent bonds present around the nucleus of the nitrogen atom, and one lone pair which is present at the apex of the nitrogen. In this molecule, in this ammonia molecule, we are having the lone pair bond pair repulsion. In this one we are having one lone pair, another one is the bond pair, no? So here we are having lone pair bond pair repulsion, lone pair bond pair repulsion, and another repulsion is also present in this one, that is bond pair repulsion. Bond pair repulsion. But compared to these two, lone pair bond pair repulsion is greater than bond pair repulsion, and the bond angle which is present between these H and H is 107 degrees 48 minutes. This is the actual bond angle, but due to presence of these electron pairs, the expected bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes, but the actual bond angle is 107 degrees 48 minutes. In this one, the actual bond angle that is due to lone pair bond pair repulsion. Okay, why? Because lone pair bond pair repulsion, which is having more energy or more repulsion compared to this bond pair. Okay, and the shape of this ammonia molecule, shape of this ammonia molecule is trigonal pyramidal. Okay, this is about the ammonia molecule. And third and the last one is the water molecule. In this water molecule, oxygen is the central atom and it is having two lone pairs, two bond pairs with the hydrogen. Okay, two lone pairs are there and two bond pairs are there. Total 4 electron pairs are present. 4 electron pairs are present in this water molecule. 2 are bond pairs. And remaining 2 are lone pairs. In this one, the oxygen electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. But we have to consider the outermost valency electronic configuration. In this one, 2 lone pairs and 2 bond pairs which are present around the nucleus of the central atom in its valency shell. In this one also, presence of lone pair repulsion is there, and this lone pair repulsion, this is greater than the lone pair bond pair repulsion, and the angle between these bond pairs, that will be decreases. The angle between bond pairs decreases, and the shape of the molecule, shape of the water molecule is V shape or bend shape or angular shape. Shape of water molecule is V shape or bent shape or angular shape. This is about the water molecule. Thank you students. If you like my video, please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you students.